Hello, my lovely butterflies. As promised, I am here showing you my fairy garden, and it's all Dollar Tree items and items that I had around the house. So let's start over here. I kind of wanted my fairy garden to be layered, and I've been wanting to make a fairy garden for a long time. I love whimsical, I love quirky, and I finally had the opportunity to do it. Now, right now I have it on my kitchen counter where I did my coffee bar, my hot cocoa bar, excuse me. But I do want to bring it outside. I have a balcony, and so when it gets warmer, we're expecting a snowstorm today. Okay, breathe, just breathe. So I didn't want all this getting wet and getting damaged and faded. So I have it inside right now, but I will take it outside as soon as it starts warming up. And so here is this, I had this cake stand. All of the little figurines are from Dollar Tree, including the seashells. They are from Dollar Tree. They came in a little bag. How cute is that? And so I bought the fairies, the gnomes, all of these little houses are from Dollar Tree. I had this, which I had thrifted from Salvation Army a while ago. So I decided to use it for an extra added touch. And to add layers, because I really like when the fairy gardens have layers. And then back there, I had this for my hot chocolate bar, and I just wrote "Fly Free Butterfly." I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that there. I feel like the back needs something right now. But since I am going to move it, I'm really going to try not to focus too much on it. And this mug, I already had it. So that's what I did. I tried to collect items I already had in my stash, along with the Dollar Tree figurines. And the figurines come 3 little figurines in a pack, and then the little houses come by themselves. I had this unicorn from a while ago, I think from last year, so I had to include it. I know I have another one lying around somewhere, but I can't find it for the life of me. So if you can see, the moss is also from Dollar Tree. So what I did was put potting soil that I already had on the bottom, and then I put the moss. Oh, this fell over. Let's fix this. I also applied, if you see that it's twinkling, I applied fairy dust, aka glitter, all over, just so it can sparkle. This little bear is so cute. He's from Dollar Tree too. I think I saw an owl, but it didn't make sense to me. My daughter brought up a good point. She's like, well, if he's trying to climb up the ladder, can he just fly? She has a valid point. And then all over. So I had this little bridge. I really didn't know where to stick that bridge in, so I just kind of put it back there. I think eventually I'll figure out something. What I would ideally love to do is to somehow connect these with some type of thing. But I just really wanted to show you guys so far like how cute this is coming out. I think are pretty good. Even these little stems are from Dollar Tree. I couldn't believe when I saw them. They're so pretty. They look real too. These are from Dollar Tree as well. So yeah, that is my fairy garden. How awesome is that? I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Hope you guys love it too. And remember, fly free butterflies. Bye.